a really wearable look today. I had so much fun filming this. I've had a little bit of a disaster because I did my base first and my brows, because obviously this is quite a lot and I had to lay it all down. So I did that without filming it because you guys have seen it a million times. And then I realized I hadn't charged my camera battery. So I've kind of done like half a face and then I do the other half with you guys. This is inspired by Jordan Lipscomb's festival look that she did last year. So I will leave that link down below. And it's kind of like incorporated and inspired with Holly Boone's Jaclyn Hill palette look. So I've kind of like mushed both of them into one and created this festival look. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. And yeah. I will see you soon. If you guys could see the mess in front of me right now, it's amazing. So today's palette we are using is a Morphe 35B. And as you can all probably guess what color I'm gonna be using today, which is my favorite color in the palette, is this one here. So we are starting off by building up our lid and initial crease. We only use 3 colors on the actual eye today because we've obviously got a lot other going on. But just taking a flat definer brush, packing the first color all on the lid and then gently blending up with a soft fluffy blending brush. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention before, all I put down on my eyelid was concealer. So I didn't powder it or anything, it's just concealer on the eyelid. And now we have just built up our lid. Because there's no powder over the concealer, we get the color intensity so quickly. And I fully recommend it. So next step, we are going in with a bullet brush. And we are taking the black color. No, that's a lie. We're still going in with the bullet brush though, and we're just gonna take this like foresty green color up at the very top, just feeding it through the crease, just a tiny bit, just to deepen it a little bit. Next, we're taking another bullet brush and we're going in with the black down in the bottom corner. Now, I'm gonna like kind of talk you guys through this because I normally hate adding black shadow, but get it on your brush, tap off any excess because black isn't the kind of color you want to have on your face. And just on the outside V of your eye, outside V, the outer V, this side. Just putting a little X of black. And taking the same little mini fluffy blending brush we were using to blend out the crease, because it's still got a little bit of the aqua color on it, it's not going to be just full black smearing into the crease, and blending it out. Okay guys, so leaving that for there at the moment and going back in, I'm sorry, I need to stop looking down and talking, but going back in with our packer brush and taking our first original color, the teal color here, and going down in the lower lash line. Okay guys, so you want to kind of bring that down semi-far today, just because we are also taking the black as well. The next step we are going to go in with is the black eyeliner. I have my MAC eyeliner here. This is Feline, and we are just taking it in the waterline and the tight line. Okay, so once you have done that, you want to take the same bullet brush again that we took the black on, get some more black shadow, and really close to the lash line of the lower lash line, you want to put some more black. And with the same fluffy brush, again, like I said, this already has the teal color on it, so it just adds a little bit more teal and it doesn't intensify the black anymore. And blend it out. If you feel feel like it doesn't match and you want to add more teal to the brush, feel free. Okay guys, and once you've done that, we're going to be taking Subculture. You can get any greeny, shiny, glittery eyeshadow that you've got and do this. It's, you know, we're putting it there because it's there, but you can't really see it once we've covered it up with the glitter. But I'm just taking Electric from the Subculture palette and just using it for my inner corner highlight. And like, this is the best it's gonna look because it's gonna get covered up with glitter in a second. Okay guys, next step is lashes, and while I'm gonna glue up my lashes, I'm using these lashes here. They are from Model Rocks. I don't really know how to show them. They're from Model Rocks. They're just nice, really nice and fluffy, and they really taper out and go long at the end. And while I am gluing that down, letting the glue to dry, we're gonna do the like tealy type contour thing. Okay, and all we're going to use for the teal contour is a brush like this. This is from Model Rocks, and no, it's not. It's from Models Prefer, and it's called the Airbrush Concealer. It is fantastic for concealer, but as you can see, it's already like green at the end. And we're just going to take it in that pan, and we're just going to like buff it into the skin, into the brow, under the brow bone. It's fine, like you can clean up the brows in a second. The way I like to like measure it so I'm not going too in is I went like from the arch of my brow and I didn't go any further. So I'm gonna stop, and I really pushed it into my hairline so you didn't see any white or anything like that. But just kind of like get the product on and then work on blending it out and putting it where you want to put it. Fluffing brush that I got, I used the darker color that we had previously here, and I just added a little bit to the outside of the eye just to like kind of bring it together. Okay, so just going in with the lash. And there we go, lash has been added. I'm such a scatterbrain today. So we're going in with our bronzer, and this is a Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Just because it's got that little sheen and glitter to it, I thought it'd be really great for the festival season, and it really blends in with the tealy color. Okay guys, so the next step is glitter. And what I'm going to be using today to apply the glitter is the Too Faced Glitter Glue, which is incredible. I absolutely love it. I've also got my double-ended eyeshadow brush from Urban Decay, one of the Urban Decay palettes. So it's got a flat side on here and a more fluffier side on here. I'm also using glitter from eBay. So shout out to Jordan Bell, who told me, well, not me personally, but told her followers kind of that you can just literally go onto Google, not Google, eBay, type in cosmetic glitter or chunky cosmetic glitter, and it will come up with these little pots. You can get 5 rows, no sorry, one row of 4 of pots, and it's like $3 a row. I'll leave links to them below because it's from one seller and they do like all different color schemes. It's amazing. I'm going to be using this greeny bluey one today, and it's gorgeous. So just taking a little bit of the glitter glue on the back of your hands, and just on the flat side putting some glitter, and just on the flat side putting the glue here. Does it like match to a T, and then just putting more glitter on the inner corner. And then I'm just going to put some glitter on the brow arch. conceal the under eye. I've already done this under eye, obviously. And to do that, I actually have this little tester of the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And oh my God, it is incredible. I love it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. No offense to Kat Von D, but I'm just like, I'm so fussy with my like under eye concealers. They need to be really thin, like kind of luminous, things like that. You guys know I swear by my Maybelline Age Eraser. But I got this, yeah, I got this little sample. It's the M19 Cool as the color, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. The only other thing of Kat Von D's that I've tried is the Lock-It powder, which I feel like I can comment on and say, yeah, it's really great, but I don't use it all over the face. I just use it underneath my eyes. Just being really careful where you put it, guys, because you don't want to waste like all this hard work. The under eye, I'm going in with my Mecca Max Banana Bake Powder. And one of the last steps that we've got is highlighter. I'm taking my MAC Soft and Gentle. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm going in with MAC Satin, which is this really nice nudie color. I just feel like for festivals, you just want something that's nude and will come off like easily, not leave a ring around your lips because you're gonna be drinking, dancing, laughing, talking, singing. And just because I don't want the color to be too much, I'm going in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And just like normal, guys, we're going to take our MAC Fix Plus. And we most definitely need to set this, so I'm taking my NYX Dewy Finishing Setting Spray. And last but not least, we're doing the under eye mascara, and I'm using MAC Extended Play. Okay guys, and that is a finished look. I've got my hoops in. I've got like kind of messy, festival-y style hair, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I had so much fun creating it. Once I kind of got the idea in my head, I was so excited to film it. So here it is, just in time for weekend 2 of Coachella. So yeah guys, lots of love. If you enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share, subscribe, like, do whatever you want, and leave a comment in the comment section down below if you loved it or if you want to see anything from me later. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!